HW-35 is distinguished by a powerful, low-noise engine that guarantees power and speed for various tasks. Thanks to features that emphasize quality and ease of use, this model is a reliable and effective option. Key features 1. Low-noise engine for power and speed. Equipped with a proven low-noise engine, HW-35 provides high performance and efficient speed, ensuring exceptional performance when performing various tasks. 2. Certified quality assurance. HW-35 has ECCE and ISO certificates confirming its adherence to the highest quality standards. These certificates provide peace of mind, ensuring the reliability and safety of the equipment. 3. Easy control. Designed with ease of use in mind, HW-35 provides intuitive and convenient control, while highly sensitive controls provide efficient and accurate operation. 4. Unified reliability and performance. The combination of a powerful engine, quality certificates, and ergonomic design makes HW-35 a reliable choice for various applications. Specifications. Operating weight 2,800 kg. Sinchai engine, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder diesel with liquid cooling, 50 HP, working volume 2670 cc. Fuel tank capacity 25 L, speed 2.5 km/h, maximum digging depth 3 m. Durable rubber tracks.